Assalamu alaikum to all. Dear students, I hope you all are good and well. Dear students, we have in yesterday we have discussed about whole numbers and introduction of whole numbers, and you all can watch that video and you will get that introduction. So today our topic is it is properties of whole numbers and addition. So आज हमें ये पढ़ना है कि whole number में जो properties है under addition we are going to discuss such properties. So before starting, I hope कि आप इस वीडियो को देखिए अच्छे से at the end and do subscribe this channel, and also you can share this so that more students will watch this video. So in this video we are going to discuss commutative property, associative property and property of zero. These are the three properties which I am going to discuss with you, and these properties हम discuss करने जा रहे हैं under addition, ठीक है ना? So first property is commutative property, and the second one is associative property, and the third one is property of zero. So we are going to discuss these properties one by one. It is commutative property. देखो बेटा, सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि commutative property किसको कहते हैं. देखो जो commutative property है ये मतलब it discusses that if there are two whole numbers a and b, then if we add these two whole numbers, suppose a plus b, then if we again reversely add them, that's b plus a, then we will get the same result. ठीक है ना? And I am going to write this property, and you all are requested to note these properties because very important. ठीक है ना? So let's start. Suppose we are going to write if a and b are two whole numbers. Whole numbers. अगर a और b दो whole numbers हैं, then a plus b equals b plus a. समझ आ रहा है? अगर a and b, if a and b are two whole numbers, then a plus b equal to b plus a. For example, I am understanding this with an example. If we have two whole numbers, suppose if 5 and 3, see, you can take any number. It's not necessary that you will take 5 and 3. You can take any number. If 5 and 3 are two whole numbers, then we are going to add 5 and 3. Then 5 plus 3, that's called 8. Similarly, 3 plus 5, that's called 8. So we can say commutative property is valid under addition. ठीक है ना? Commutative property of whole number is valid under addition. So here we will get the same result. If we add 5 plus 3, that's called 8. If we add 3 plus 5, that's called 8. So we can say a plus b equal to b plus a. So or we can write it as, और हम इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं 5 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 5, that's called 8. This is commutative property, dear students. बहुत easy है, उतना tough नहीं है बेटा ये. आप इसको लिखो अच्छे से और इस पे फिर practice करना. तो we have discussed this. आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट उठा सकते हो. Now we are going to discuss another property. It is associative property. Now the second one is it is associative property. Second one is associative property. The first one was commutative property, and the second one is associative property. Similarly, in associative property, we write that if we have three whole numbers, अगर हमारे पास तीन whole number होंगे, say a, b and c, then if we add them from in both sides, then we will get the same result. Suppose I am going to write here if a, b and C are three whole numbers. Or three whole numbers. If A, B and 3 are three whole numbers, then A plus B plus C, then A plus B plus C equals A plus B, इसको हम ब्रैकेट में रखते हैं और ये जो यहाँ पे C है ब्रैकेट में, इसको हम बाहर निकालेंगे, प्लस C. This is the commutative property of whole numbers. अब मैं इसको थोड़ा elaborate करता हूँ, understand करता हूँ with the help of an example. So you can write, for example, if 5, 6 and 7 say are three whole numbers, or three whole numbers, then we are going to write 5 instead of A. Then 5 plus 6 plus 7 equals, that is 5 plus 6 plus 7. ठीक है ना? We are solving them one by one. Here we can write 5 plus 6 plus 7 कितना हो गया बेटा? That is 30. Similarly here 5 plus 6 को हम ऐड करेंगे यहाँ पे, that is 5 plus 6 हो गया 11 plus 7. I am adding them on the both sides and I will get the same result right now. It is 13 plus 5 हो गया 18. Similarly we have 11 plus 7. We can just refer it here. It's called 18. So the result is same. So we can say that associative property is also valid or it works out in addition. ठीक है ना? So here today we have discussed two properties, and again I am going to show you the another property. It is property of zero. And before starting that property, you all can take its screenshot. Okay, students, I hope you have taken its screenshot. Now we have third property. It is property of zero under addition. Third one is property of zero. Property of zero in addition. Property of zero in addition. It's a third property of whole numbers. देखो इसमें हम क्या पढ़ते हैं? इसमें हम ये पढ़ते हैं कि if we have two whole numbers, that is, suppose if we have A and 0, but one should be 0 because it's a property of zero in whole numbers. If we have two whole numbers, that's A and 0, then if we add a number with a 0, we will get the number itself. ठीक है ना? Suppose if A and इस तरह हम लिखेंगे, if A and 0 are two whole numbers, then we are going to add A with 0, then A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A, that's called A. तो इसका माने ये है कि जब भी हम किसी होल नंबर को 0 के साथ ऐड करते हैं या 0 को किसी होल नंबर के साथ ऐड करते हैं, then we will get the number itself. This is the third property of whole numbers under addition. समझ आ रहा है? अच्छे से आप देखो. Suppose if we have, for example, I am going to understand you with the help of an example. For example, if we have, if 10 and 0 are two whole numbers, अगर हमारे पास 10 और 0 दो होल नंबर हैं. Similarly, we can use this procedure here. If that is 10 plus 0 equal to 0 plus 10, that's equal to 10. ठीक है ना? तो आज हमने ये पढ़े हैं कि एक तो हमने आज कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ा है, दूसरा एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ा है, तीसरा प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ जीरो अंडर एडिशन, in whole numbers. So these were three properties which I have discussed. I hope you all have understand these properties, and I again request you, note these questions, note these properties, whatever I am teaching you on your note copy, so that it will be very easy for you. ठीक है ना? So inshallah tomorrow we are going to approach towards exercise of whole numbers. Hope you have got it. Thank you for watching me, and I again request you, do subscribe and share this video. ठीक है?